Well, I wanna start contributing to open source, which was start with. Yeah, I'm basically more familiar with the JavaScript stacks and frameworks. So, Eddie Hub community. Okay. Hmm. What's Eddie Hub? Discord has now been closed. Um, okay. So I guess that won't work. Or will it? I don't get it. Well, it was archived on 2024, so that won't work. And Cam Hopscotch. Well, I was thinking of. I've heard about this repository a lot. I want to understand how it works, and just a really nice web application, I think, right? Oh, I've seen this before. Where's this from? I've seen this on another website. Nope, no idea. I've definitely seen this on another website. Okay. Well, anyways, cal.com is a nice code base. Well, I've heard of these two, to be honest, cal.com and dub.sh. Uh, I'm gonna. It's such a pretty website, though. Well, where's the GitHub link? It's not here. All right, just gonna get this. So it's Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, Upstash for Redis, Tinybird for analytics, Planet Scale for database, Nextauth, Voxy, HQ, Turbo Repo, Stripe, Decent, Vercel, Pangea. I'm familiar with some of this stuff, so I think I should be able to get something started here. What are you supposed to do? Well, I'm going to clone the project and then do I have to fork it locally? Are there even any issues I can solve? Well, there's a lot of issues I can. Okay. Circular links not blocked causes infinite redirects. I don't know why this reminds me of the middleware shitstorm that happened with Next.js. UI issue on Utune or well, good first issues, no results. Oh well, that's so nice. Can I? Something isn't working. New feature or request. OSS.gg. What is that? What's OSS.gg? Gamify open source contributions. See you next year. Whoa, what is this? Code and non-code contributions. Each one is lottery ticket. Lottery happens. Okay. Follow these repos to not miss anything. These are really nice. I can get started with these someday. Well, not right now, but someday. Let me just add them quickly to a note. Open source repos. And now I got more repositories to play around with. That's nice. That's awesome. All right. One linked issue. One linked pull request. So a pull request. So that means someone's already solved it, right? I don't need to. I need to solve it then. An issue where clicking the cancel button in nested drawer unintentionally. Adding a wall drawer or another photo and just once again. Using drawer or nested root area instrument sibling the DOM structure. On one wall drawers only. Radix allows do not exhibit this behavior. God damn. They wrote such a. Wait, is this closed? Attempt to deploy a comment. Someone already did fixed it. Who fixed it? This guy's named renamed. I wanna check this guy out. The fuck do I check? Such a cool name, honestly. Interesting. I have no idea. What? Man, I get distracted so quickly. Well, anyways, I should probably look for a different issue then. And is that done? It is dub. What? Original double completely supported security updates to report a vulnerability. Reward slash compensation. That's nice. Oh, it's a turbo revo then. Okay. What I'm gonna be using PNPM. Okay, so how do I set it up? There should be setup instructions, right? Features, create and improve the click-through rates, QR codes, team collaboration, web activity, from local development guide to get your local dev setup. They've got an entire doc for this. It's crazy, honestly. I hope no one's. Just a second. All right. I need to. Okay. But Turbo Repo and is a fully open source repository on GitHub. Here's the monorepo structure. Apps, web, packages. Apps directory contains code for web, the entirety of Dev's application. Plus our link redirect infrastructure to the packages. Directory contains the code for a CLI, an email, send emails and templates, embeds, packages to embed Dev's referral dashboard. A UI library built with Next.js and Tailwind CSS. It also utilizes code from package directory. Route group pattern, API server. Route group pattern. API server main slash app slash web slash app slash API. Okay, when you're on PNPM dev to start the dev server, app will be available at this. Reason to use ATR not app.localhost is because Google Auth doesn't allow you to use localhost subdomains. Link redirects double powered by Next.js middleware. Redis is used to cache every link's metadata when it's first created. Running up locally, a tiny word account, an Upstash account, a plan skill compatible MySQL database. Okay. What's tiny word? Analytics backend for your application. What the fuck is this? Tiny word is to ClickHouse. What Supabase is to Postgres. Honestly, I've got no idea what ClickHouse is. I've got no idea what I have some idea what Supabase is. I don't know how this works. One of my all time favorite dev tools. Infrastructure that scales. Tooling for faster dev. Man, just fucking sign up on this. Let me just quickly sign up and then I'll be back. Let me just, yeah. I'm gonna sign up with GitHub, that's better. Alright, signed up and a cloud provider. Yeah, GCP works, company domain. No need dub repo or software engineer or a name is required. Well, TinyBird CLI, no need for that. It's used for web analytics, right? Okay, an Upstash account. Well, I don't have an Upstash account and I was thinking of getting one already because I wanted a Redis database. I haven't used Redis for anything. Just a second. Uh, I mean, right. Upland scale compatible MySQL database. Clone the repo. That's done. Install the dependencies. Let's quickly do that. I'm making no that. Reused none. All the packages are new. Holy shit. This is gonna take a while. Does it have a hobby tier network attached or what else? Man, I don't have $40 to set this shit up. No longer offer no longer offers a free tier and starts at $40 a month. I have got nowhere near that sort of moolah, so I'm gonna. That's good. Doesn't have a free tier. Is super base. Well, anyways, still downloading. Reused zero packages. I'm getting warnings left and right. Think we're almost done. I really like watching these downloads for some reason. It feels like I'm doing a lot of work. I'm actually not. So these are done. Yeah. Okay. Well, compile all the internal packages. Dash R. Well, that's recursive. What's the filter? Not packages slash dash R. Build packages. So we're building all of these one by one, right? So all these should have packages just with the build command. Where's the build command? Yes, up. Right. That's just the CLI. Build command for this is it doesn't have a build command. Interesting. Let's look at the email. Well, yeah, they don't have a build command. You want to see what this does? Build the UI somehow. How do you build the UI if it does not have okay, TS up, TSF, the build command. Anyways, copy the .env example file from web to .env executing the following command. Just do that myself. Look around the folders a little. There's the .env. Holy shit. What? And I do what with it? Just copy to. You can now come to close for comfort. I think I just have the env here. Not a folder. Oh, it's getting pretty late in my time zone, so I think I'm gonna leave for today, right? And we'll continue with this tomorrow. Okay, great stream. And I should end it. How do I end it? Um, all right, so the stream is gonna be ended. So we set up some of the databases. No, we did not set up the databases. We just set up the code base. Well, we installed the dependencies is all we did, honestly. And we're gonna mess around with it more tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep for now. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow if you were here. Most of my friends were here. It's just my friends and me. And that's